Close your eyes, sit back, relax with your spine straight. Get into a comfortable position. Now take a deep breath in. Now let it out. Take another deep breath in. Now let it out. Take another deep breath in. Now let it out. Go ahead, breathe at this pace on your own. With each in-breath, feel more energy, more activation, more inspiration. With each exhale, let go of the stress, the anxiety, and anything that might be bothering you. Feel how good it feels to just relax and re-energize. With each breath, feel the expansion of your chest cavity and feel it collapse in and out, in and out, in, more energy, more healing, more activation, out, less stress, less anxiety, less worries. Allow yourself to relax just a little bit more with each breath. Beautiful. You're doing great. Now, visualize roots growing out the bottom of your feet, going through the ground, through each layer of dirt, until it reaches the center of the earth. Once it reaches the center of the earth, the roots interlock with the core, grounding you to Mother Gaia. And the energy of the earth rises through the roots into the bottoms of your feet. That energy goes up your calves, your thighs, your abdomen, your chest, and now your head. You are fully grounded and activated with Mother Gaia. With each breath, you are syncing up with the natural rhythm of the planet. And as you sync up with the rhythm of the planet, you feel more in flow, more relaxed. Very good. Feel the energy coming up from the earth with each breath. It is now activating your root chakra. Visualize your root chakra as a red orb right at the base of your spine. It is being energized and activated and cleared by the energy of the earth. With each in-breath, it gets brighter and brighter. With each out-breath, it's being cleared of any blockages of the energy. Mother Gaia has unlimited energy for each and every one of us when we live in a symbiotic relationship. Now, bring your attention to your sacral chakra. about 2 fingers below the navel. Visualize it as an orange orb. With each in-breath, more energy from Mother Gaia enters the orange orb, making it brighter and brighter, giving it more energy, activating it, clearing it. Feel this energy center getting stronger with each breath as it is energized by the earth and this deep connection to Mother Gaia. For we are all one. We are the cells of Mother Gaia. So when we take care of Mother Gaia takes care of us, enriching us with each breath. Take another deep breath in. Hold it at the top. Concentrate all your energy in your sacral chakra. Now let it out. Now, bring your attention to your solar plexus chakra, roughly 2 inches above your navel. It's represented by a yellow spinning orb. With each in-breath, this orb spins counterclockwise faster and faster as it receives energy from Mother Gaia. The solar plexus chakra gets stronger. It awakens you. You feel more purpose-driven, more focused, more creative, more intuitive. With each breath, your solar plexus chakra spins faster and faster, glows brighter and brighter. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top. Focus all your energy right at the solar plexus chakra. Now let it out. Very good. Now, put your hand over your heart chakra. Connect with your heart chakra with all of your focus and all of your intention. See it glowing as a bright green orb, just like the sun but green. The energy from Mother Gaia is entering your heart chakra, activating it, helping it glow brighter and brighter, more energized, so you can not only give but also receive more love, unconditional love, what you all deserve. You do not have to earn it. You are worthy of love. Know this with each in-breath, and with each out-breath, feel that love pouring out to every single cell in your body. It feels great to be surrounded by and bathed in this rich love, as it is activated by Mother Gaia's love for each and every conscious being that it inhabits, that it provides a home for. So let's give love back to Mother Gaia. Focus your mind power on giving love back and showing appreciation to our planet, our living planet. Beautiful. Now, bring your attention to your throat chakra. It's represented by a blue light, a blue orb, spinning and glowing clockwise right in your throat. With each in-breath, you have more confidence to speak your authentic truth, not worrying what others will think, only worrying to share your truth as clearly, as honestly, as authentically as possible. The energy from the planet will give you more confidence to speak your truth with each in-breath, with each out-breath. Less lies, less masks, less deceit. With each in-breath, more truth, more authenticity, more vulnerability. Speak to connect, speak to build, speak to bridge. Speak your mind, speak your truth. See the orb glowing brighter and brighter, spinning faster and faster with each inhale. Feel yourself feeling more confident, being able to express your truth, whether it is to your children, to your friends, to your spouse, to your co-workers, to your direct reports, to your manager. Speak your truth with no fear of the consequence. When you speak your truth, you will be in your authentic vibe, and then you will attract the tribe that is in alignment with your frequency. Take a deep breath in. Focus your attention in your throat chakra. Focus all the energy there as you activate it, activate it, activate it, activate it. Now let it go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, let's focus all of your attention on your third eye chakra, represented by an indigo orb glowing right in the middle of your forehead. Visualize an indigo light penetrating your forehead 3 inches deep into your brain. That is where your third eye is located, absorbing this blue energy. You may feel pressure on your forehead right between your eyebrows as this indigo light penetrates, activating your third eye chakra, activating your ability to see multiple perspectives, your ability to empathize with different ideologies and outlooks. This is very important in order to build community, is being able to meet people where they're at, being able to not just see their viewpoint, but to feel their viewpoint through the third eye. That is what we are activating with each in-breath. Mother Gaia is sharing her wisdom, her ability to share all the different experiences that she has seen, to share it with your third eye so that you have the ability to empathize with others that see things differently, so that you could see it the same way they see it. And acknowledge. That doesn't mean you have to agree. It just means that you could see it from a different vantage point and accept it. With each in-breath, the third eye becomes more activated, brighter and brighter. It is opening up your frequency band to be able to connect with your higher self, connect with spirit guides, connect with your guardian angels, connect with ascended masters. Understand that this activation is what is happening right now to allow your frequency band to dial in and connect with higher frequential beings. Take that all in. Focus your mind power right in your third eye. Focus all your energy on your third eye now. Now let it out. Very good. You're doing great. Now, bring your attention to your crown chakra. Visualize a cone, the color purple, with the pointy end right at the top of your skull, and the wider end 3 feet above your skull. Now visualize purple light coming into the funnel into your body. This is healing light coming in through the crown, activating every single cell, every single molecule, every single atom in your body. Your organs are all getting healed and leveled up and energized. Your skin, your eyes, your taste buds, your hearing, your sight, all are being amplified so that you will be able to take in more with your external 5 senses, so you could experience the richness of the 3D reality. Allow this healing energy to channel through your crown chakra and course through your entire body, healing your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your neck, your trapezius, your shoulders, your biceps and triceps, your forearms, your chest and upper back, your stomach and lower back, your groin area, your thighs, your hamstrings, your calves, your feet, and now all your fingers are inside and enveloped in this purple light, healing, 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 nourishing, 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 activating, activating, activating. Beautiful. When you heal yourself, you heal the planet. Congratulate yourself for giving yourself time to connect with Mother Gaia and to be grounded and to exchange energy. Take this energy into your day. Take this energy into the week. Be focused on your highest good. Allow yourself to maximize your potential. Feel this gratitude, feel this love, feel this energy exchange between you and Mother Gaia. Take one more deep breath in. Now let it out. Allow the roots of your feet to disconnect from the core of the planet. Watch them retract back into your soles. Go ahead and wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Open your eyes. Now, I invite you to journal for 5 to 10 minutes and carry this energy into your day.